Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Dollar Tree haul and I tried to film a walkthrough as well, but kind of overall there really wasn't like a whole lot of new stuff. So it's just a haul this time. I did pick up some new makeup. So there's that, as well as a couple other little items. So anyways, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. I have not been posting as much lately as there's been a lot going on, but I have been trying to do at least one upload a week. It's different from my usual 3, you know what I mean? So as always, I will have my Dollar Tree haul playlist linked down below, as well as some other relevant content. That way, if you like videos like this, you can binge watch more content. So yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So what isn't gonna be physically in this haul is I bought 2 containers of Sunny D for my husband. He likes to drink it and the Dollar Tree really has a very good deal on a certain size. I think it's like a 40 ounce or something like that bottle. So I bought 2 of those. I also bought 2 of the Reese's Big Cups with pretzels in them. Yeah, I've eaten both of them, so they're gone, but I did buy them in this trip. Also, to get this out of the way, I bought some of these Wise cheese doodles. These are the extra crunchy and they're really, really good. I think even better than the Puffs, personally. I think these are very comparable to Cheetos, so yeah, they're about half gone. I've eaten them too. Okay, so now into everything else. First things first, they had some new Christmas socks. And you all know I love a low-cut sock and I love gnomes. So I found these little gnome socks right here. And I've got some Christmas ones already. And these were different this year. So see the little gnome on him, kind of has like a little fuzzy beard. I really like these little socks from the Dollar Tree. I've got some different gnome socks for different holidays like Easter and St. Patrick's Day. I think I have some Valentine's Day ones as well. So I thought these were really cute. I thought those were just simply adorable. So picked those up. And those are the only gnome socks that I'd seen that day. But they had several other styles and prints and all that kind of stuff. They had one that was really cute. It was like a gingerbread house with a gingerbread man. I almost picked those up, but I really have like a lot of socks, if you can imagine. Now you've seen these several times in my haul videos. Usually the Dollar Tree closest to my house does not carry these, but the one a little further away does. But my closest Dollar Tree has started carrying them. And they're these pick up and go fruity facial cleansing wipes. I got the orange. They also had like I think it's the mango papaya, and I've used both, of course, and I just, for $1.25, these wipes are absolutely, not even just for $1.25, like if you paid $5 for these, you'd be getting your money's worth. Each one comes with 25 wipes. They're thick. They do a really good job. Yeah, these are some really great wipes. They're made in Korea, which, you know, like Korean skincare is kind of a thing. So yeah, I really, really, really enjoy these. These are like a staple for me. I don't use them a ton. I do use reusable makeup cloths and like cold cream, micellar water. But when I have a lot of extra makeup on, I do like to use one of those with some cold cream and then, you know, wash my face and stuff like that. Sometimes I don't always want to use a makeup cloth. When I don't, I do like to have some wipes on hand, and it takes me a while to go through a pack. So now we're into the makeup. So I know I just recently hauled some LA Colors trios that they had a couple different color stories, and then some I repurchased because they were slightly different shades under the same name. I did not expect this when I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, but they had like 5 or 6, I think 6, new 6-pan eyeshadow palettes. They had a bunch of lip products as well, but really I have so many lip products, so I didn't want to pick up a ton, and some of them looked like just repackaging of some of their old like moisturizing lip glosses, but I did get one lip product and I'll show you. But yeah, you have to see these eyeshadows. I am so psyched, you guys. Actually, I got a couple of like lip glosses, but yeah, look at this. There's 5. I have hit the jackpot, you guys. And the beauty is they are all different color stories from all the other 6-pan palettes that LA Colors has. So it says it's crease-proof color, new and improved. So I'm going to correct myself. They actually have some of the same names as some of the old 6-pan palettes, but they are different. They've definitely been modified. So we're gonna be doing a lot of swatching, a lot of comparing in this video here, and then of course you'll end up seeing these in some future videos. But before I do that, let me show you the lip glosses that I found. And like I said, I ended up getting 2 because they were different than some of the other ones they had. They kind of repackaged like the coral one and like the really bright pink one. These here looked a little different. I got Dreamy Pink and Cheerful, and they're kind of like these sparkly and shimmery lip glosses. So we'll swatch these first and kind of see what they're like. And the packaging says they're cruelty-free and paraben-free, and they are moisturizing lip glosses. So these are really very nice lip glosses in my experience. They smell the same as the other ones do, the older ones. That's just like really pretty. Let's just take a minute to like appreciate the color of the lip gloss and like the top. It just looks so pretty. So here are the shades. That's really just a very like, it's basically clear. It's got a little hint of pink. This one here, it doesn't really even show up on camera, but you can actually see the glitter. Really can't on camera, but in person, you can see that there is glitter. It's very pretty. The camera does not do it justice. It kind of has like a gold and kind of like a reddish, like a blush like shift because of the color of the gloss. Really pretty. I'm super excited to try that top one. So there's those. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadows. So the first one here is called Lucky, and this one here is also called Lucky, the older one. So look, that is definitely a different color story. Same feel. What I do like about this is there seems to be a little bit more variation than in the old one. You get that little poppy yellow and that peach, and yeah, like super excited. So I won't swatch them side by side. I just want to show you the palettes side by side because, and we'll swatch the new ones of course, because obviously they're a different color story. So look at the little packaging. That is like really cool. It's kind of like clear. It's really nice, really super cute. Of course, I always throw away the brushes. I never, ever, ever use the brushes. So here they are swatched. 6 very different colors. I like that it's just got some other variation in there. Super pretty. I usually find these to be kind of not really shimmers and not really mattes, but just kind of somewhere in the middle. So super, super excited to try that out in a future video. And here's the color story Fling. So this is the old one and this is the new one. As you can see, again, a little bit more variation in there. Same feel, same overall feel, but just a little bit more variation. And as far as wear time, I'm not 100% sure, but the packaging does claim that it's all day wear, so we'll see. But again, look at the little purple packaging, so cute. So there are the shades. First shade of blue is really beautiful, both of those shades right there. The other ones are kind of not really very pigmented. It actually kind of matches my shirt, doesn't it? But yeah, you know, I don't think that pink right there is as bright as the other one or that purple, but I do like that they have this gold. Actually, let me see, just out of sheer curiosity, the pink and purple in this other one here. So that's in the old one right there. Really, those 2 shades are about the same. So yeah, we will definitely see. Yeah, definitely excited to try a look with those and kind of see how they are. So then this is the new Playful and the old Playful. And this one here is probably the most similar. So that's a really, really pretty color story. So yeah, again, excited to try this one as well. So these ones here are both called Night Out, and as you can see, again, very, very different color stories. These are probably the most different, I would say. I'm really loving this packaging. It's kind of giving me like Huda Beauty vibes, you know, and then everything that kind of copied the Huda Beauty palettes, the little 9-pans. But yeah, this is more of like a warm tone type palette than the other one, y'all. This one here might be the best. I don't know. We'll have to see. So the top 3 colors are definitely more shimmery than the bottom 3, but look at how rich those are. You get that really dark one in the middle, that really rich deep shade in the middle. So pretty. Very excited to try this one, especially where it's got the same name, but it's obviously a totally, completely different color story. And then the last one here is called Almost Nude, and I feel like they make a 6-pan palette in the white with that name, and I feel like I have it, but I can't find it. But either way, I know the color story is different. So this one kind of has pink packaging, and look at that. So pretty. This definitely looks like it has kind of more mattes or satins and like true shimmers. So we'll just kind of see. Shade up in the corner is so beautiful. So the thing I think that makes this one really interesting is there are clearly mattes and like shimmers in this. And the mattes are a little underwhelming for me because they match my skin too much. But look at those shimmers, you guys. Those are just so pretty. And again, the camera doesn't even do it justice. I am so excited to use that one. That one might also be my favorite too for those couple of shades. So yeah, we will definitely be trying these out. I think the packaging is so, so cute. So super excited. Like I said, I was excited to see some new stuff or even some, we'll call it repackaged and maybe slightly modified stuff by LA Colors. It's been a minute. So yeah, like I said, I don't think all of these are completely new products, but they do seem to be reformulating some of their stuff. So I'm intrigued and we'll definitely be trying them soon. I'll have some relevant content up here on the screen. So definitely check those out if you are interested. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below if you've seen any of this stuff in your Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.